Good morning, all of you. Welcome to KGP Online Classes and welcome to English Grammars class. In this class, we are going to learn about singular nouns and plural nouns. Okay, in a previous video, we have learned about naming words and they are also called as nouns. So let's recall a little, okay? What are nouns? Nouns are the words that are used to name persons, places, animals, or things. Okay, so anything, everything around you, you look around, that can be an animal, a place, a thing, anything has name and they are called as nouns. So in this video we are going to learn about singular and plural nouns. Okay, so let's start. So now let's see what are singular nouns. A singular noun names one place, person, thing or animal. So whenever we talk about anything that is one in number, okay, whenever we talk about anything that is one in number, like this pencil, it is only one pencil. So whenever we are talking about anything that is one in number, we call it singular. Okay, singular noun when we are talking anything, any person, animal that is one in number. Like here, one butterfly. So this is a singular noun. One girl. So this is again a singular noun. Okay, so these are the examples: a boy, a car, a house, a butterfly, a laptop, a pencil, an eraser, a box. Everything that is one in number will be called as singular noun. Now let's see singular noun in sentences. Okay, a girl is reading a book. One girl, it is a noun, and reading a book, this is again a singular noun. One girl, girl is in one number, book is again one in number. Cat is on the table. There is one cat. Okay, in sentence we are talking about one cat, so cat is the singular noun. On the table. Okay, table is again one singular noun. Now next is she saw a monkey and an elephant. One monkey and an elephant. Okay, so monkey and elephant are again singular nouns. So these are singular nouns. Now let's learn about plural nouns. A plural noun names two or more places, persons, animals or things. Okay, so whenever we talk about any person, any animal, any place that is more than two, that is two or more in number, we call it as plural noun. Okay, here there are two butterflies, more than one, so it is a plural noun. Two girls, this will again be called as plural noun. Okay, example: boys, cars, trees, chairs, brushes, knives. So whenever we are talking about any person, any animal, any place, any anything that is more in number, more than one, we call it as plural noun. Okay, now let's move forwards. Let's look plural nouns in sentences. Girls are dancing. What is the noun here? Girls. Okay, they are two in number, hence they will be plural nouns. I have many toys. Okay, I have many toys. Toys are more than one. Many toys. That is why here it is written as TOYS, toys. children are playing. So many children are playing here. Okay, so children again is a plural noun. Okay, now we have learned about singular nouns and we have learned about plural nouns. Okay, now what we're going to learn is how the formation of plural nouns, that how from a singular noun we can change a singular noun into one plural noun. Okay, orange, by adding s we will turn it into oranges. Okay, so there are so many rules that we are going to learn, and there are different rules to change a singular noun into a plural noun. So let's look at the rule number 1. Rule number 1, it's the most simplest rule. Add s to the end of the noun to make it plural. Okay, if these are all nouns, bell, and by adding s we will make it as bells. It from singular it will turn into plural. Okay, book, by adding s we will change it into books. Tree, it is a singular noun. By adding s we will change it into trees. More than one tree, it will be called as trees. Door, by adding s at the end of the word we will change it into plural. Okay, nest, by adding s we will turn it into nests. Pencil, by adding s we will change it into pencils. School, by adding s we will change it into schools. So by adding s, this is the first rule, by adding s we can change singular nouns into plural nouns. Okay, now let's look at the rule number 2. What is rule number 2? If the noun ends with the letters sh, ch, x, s or z, and es to make it plural. Okay, so if the singular words, singular nouns are adding with these all letters, okay, we will add es at the end of these words to change them into plural nouns. Okay, so also pay attention on the pronunciation of these words. Like these words are ending with these sh and these letters, they make a hissing sound. Okay, like brush, sh, box, class, bus, quiz, fox. All these words and at the end of these words a hissing sound is coming. Okay, so whenever this sound comes after any word, remember to add es, 2 letters es after at the end of the noun to change it from singular to plural. Okay, so now let's have a look. Brush, we added es and it turns into brushes. Box, we will add es, it will change into boxes. Watch, we will add es, it will change into watches. More than one. Class, we will add es, it will change into classes. Quiz, in this word we are adding not only es, we are also adding one more z to it. Okay, bus, es, we will by adding es we will change it into buses. Fox, by adding es we are changing into foxes. Okay, so this is the second rule. Any word that is ending with these letters and making a hissing sound like brush, class, this is a hissing sound. we add in such words we add plus es to make it from singular to plural. Okay, so this rule is also similar to rule number 2. Some nouns that end with o, the nouns, the words that ends with o, we add es after them. Okay, so like mango, add es after this, it will turn into mangoes. Hero, it is also ending with an o, we will add es after it, it will turn into heroes. Potato, we will add es after it, it will turn into potatoes. Mosquito, ending with an o, we will add es after it, it will turn into mosquitoes. Tomato, we will add es after it, it will turn into tomatoes. Okay, now let's move to rule number 3. So what does rule number 3 states? Rule number 3 states, if nouns ends in f or fe, add ves to the end to make them plural. Okay, so all the nouns, all the words, all the nouns that are ending with fe, the letters fe and f, we add ves after them to make them from singular to plural. Okay, so knife, vs knives. Leaf, add ves after them, it will turn into leaves. Wife, add ves after it, it will turn into wives. Loaf, ending with f, add ves after it, it will turn into loaves. Calf, add ves after it, it will turn into calves. Okay, so I'm going to end this video here. In this video, what we have learned? We have learned that what are singular nouns and what are plural nouns, and we have learned 3 rules to change nouns from singular number to plural number. Okay, so please watch this video carefully, and in our next class we are going to learn more rules to change nouns from singular to plural. Okay, thank you so much.